Hi friends. We're having a speed electric scooter repaired today. The owner doesn't know what's wrong with it and it's been sitting around for a while. They asked us to look into it. Any repair always starts with checking the power supply. First, I'll check the power supply. As you can see, the green light is on and it seems to be working, but there's a catch. When I measure the voltage at the output, I see 0, but if I move the wire, voltage appears. This means there's a break somewhere near the connector. It needs to be opened and the wires resoldered. At the very least, we have a problem with the power supply plug. First, I'll cut off the section of wire where there's potential damage. I also need to strip the wire for soldering. Now I need to insulate the wires. I wrapped the inside with electrical tape and then used heat shrink on top. As you can see, the power supply output now shows normal voltage. Now you can connect the power supply to the electric scooter and test it. I'll divide the electric scooter repair video into several steps. This was the first step, in which I fixed the problem with the power supply. See you in the next videos.